I just couldn't resist the temptation anymore to have pizza night. That's right, this is one of my favorite nights of the entire week when it actually does happen. Pizza night, baby. There's nothing like fresh, homemade pizza. That's right, take the time to make the dough. I made this dough just this morning, okay? It was super easy to make the morning of, and by tonight, I'm making this delicious pizza that cost me literally, I don't know, couple bucks because I made everything myself, you know, the cost of cheese, the cost of flour, a little bit of yeast, some olive oil, some sauce, some cheese, some onions, some pepperoni, and that's like the entire cost, guys. When you break it down and you make it yourself, it's a lot cheaper. Not to mention you can perfect it the way that you like it. Yeah, look at that beautiful fucking pizza, guys. Come on. This thing is so damn sexy. And if you think that I only made this one, you are high on some drugs, probably like I am, and needed to make a second pizza because I made two. That's right. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. If you're making one, you might as well make two, right? Even if it's just you, the only one there to eat it. Don't judge me. I like pizza. Make your own pizza, guys. It's well worth it.